In the meantime, some residents of Grange, Westmoreland are fleeing the community in the wake of Tuesday's attack, which left a trail of death and destruction. TVJ's Vashon Brown was in Westmoreland today.
The shattered glass at this restaurant and bar helps to tell the story of the mayhem that took place in Grange Hill, Westmoreland on Tuesday night. Gunmen went on a rampage, shooting 17 people, 7 of them fatally. Residents say it's even more heartbreaking that 2 of the dead are children.
Now, this is the house where Nadine Rowe and her 12-year-old son were killed. It's a bit quiet here now. There are about 8 houses in the yard with 13 occupants. The people living in this yard have started to leave the community because of fear.
This is Nadine Rowe and her son Nicoy, born in happier times. Family members say all they're left with are memories. We also went to the yard where Sheldon Morgan and his 2-year-old son Sheldon Morgan Jr. were killed on Godfrey Street. Nobody was there. The people in the community say it's the picture throughout Grange Hill since the deadly shootings, people packing up and leaving.
Because everybody afraid of what's happening. It's the first time I see this in my community, you know? Yes, even myself get afraid. Yeah. Then I don't know. Maybe they're looking for a higher place, of safety. No. I don't have nowhere to go, so I have to just stay.
As we journeyed through the community, we saw few police and military personnel, some of them stopping and searching motorists. The Westmoreland police say gang violence is at the root of the attack. Superintendent in charge of the Westmoreland Police, Gary McKenzie, says the security forces will put measures in place to prevent reprisals.
Already the police is in the area and we will continue to be. Of course, we will not be just containing, but we have to go after the criminals in the area. So that is what we are about. Again, I want to say that the police alone cannot do it. We have to get the help of the citizens.
Since the start of the year, there have been more than 50 murders in Westmoreland. Superintendent McKenzie says part of the problem is that criminals have been leaving the state of emergency in St. James and have been wreaking havoc in the neighboring parish.
We are aware of that, and so we are working with our other counterparts within the parishes that are adjoining and where these operations are actually going, so that we can do what is necessary to rid our area of these criminals.
In the meantime, the Savannah Lamar Hospital has been feeling the pressure from the increased shootings in Westmoreland.
The bed space has been limited from before. There have been issues with overcrowding, and now this has only compounded the issue. The staff, they're stressed out, and you can imagine the emotional toll that it is taking on them, seeing these victims coming in, and some of them actually are from these communities, so they are affected not only by what they're seeing at work, but then when they leave, they're going home to these communities that have really descended into chaos.
Dr. Alfred Dawes says based on the nature of the injuries from Tuesday's attacks, high-powered weapons were involved.
The injuries that we're seeing are consistent with high-caliber weapons. We're talking about assault rifles. This is not your regular 38 shooters. It's really worrisome.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.